The Voyager 1 and 2 spacecrafts, launched in 1977, have become iconic scientific expeditions, surpassing their initial 5-year mission to provide us with invaluable discoveries. These spacecraft have captured stunning close-up images of our solar system's prominent planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, along with various moons and asteroids. In a remarkable gesture, both Voyager 1 and 2 carry a golden record containing a diverse range of content as a potential message to extraterrestrial beings, although they would require a record player to decipher it. Having ventured beyond the boundaries of our solar system, Voyager 1 is expected to continue its space exploration for approximately another 2 decades before its power source depletes. With their immense distance of over 13 billion miles from Earth, the transmission of data from these extraordinary spacecrafts to scientists takes more than 16 hours.